Hey guys, welcome back to Automation School. It's been a little over a month since YouTube Shorts launched its monetization feature, and creators have a lot to say about how much they've earned. If you're doing YouTube Shorts right, you could be earning thousands a day through making short-form content alone. With the right AI, you could easily do this without showing your face or using your voice. With chatbot tools such as ChatGPT and Notion AI, you can have written content at your fingertips within seconds. With some of the popular niches on YouTube Shorts, the written content is all that you need. Here is a list of Shorts niches that you can use for your Shorts channel and why it works so well with AI. This can be a channel revolving around facts of any industry, whether it be finance, psychology, crypto, celebrity, or anything in between. This is an easy niche to get started in because you don't even need to use voiceovers for these videos to see success. These shorts are relatively simple and only include the fact written over a stock background video. Viewers in this niche are used to reading the text on the screen rather than listening, making this an incredibly effortless niche to get started in. Using ChatGPT, ask the chatbot for facts relating to your niche. If I was doing a celebrity fact channel, I can type, "Give me 10 facts about Ryan Reynolds." Immediately, I already have enough content for 10 different YouTube shorts. All I would do here is copy one of these facts and paste it onto Canva. I would find a stock photo of Ryan Reynolds to use as a background and layer the text over top of it. Then, I can save this video from my phone using the Canva app and upload it onto YouTube Shorts. Here, I can choose a trending audio to accompany the video, title it whatever I want, and then press upload. In less than a few minutes, I was able to create an entire YouTube short from scratch and also have enough written content to make 9 more videos, which can last me all week. This low-maintenance niche is excellent for those who want to bulk create shorts videos or may not have that much time on their hands. Similar to the previous niche, this follows the same concept. Go into ChatGPT or Notion AI and ask it to write you a few inspirational quotes depending on what topic you are looking for. A few ideas are fitness, career, business, and mental wellness to start. Those always resonate with viewers since people are constantly looking to better themselves in every aspect. From here, you'll follow the same process we outlined for the fact channels. Paste the fact into Canva, add a stock background video or image from Pexels or Unsplash, and get it ready for upload. You can make several different motivational shorts channels in various areas of interest, such as one in fitness and one in business. That way, you can broaden your audience and increase your chances of a video appealing to the algorithm. You just need one short to blow up to jumpstart a channel. More and more people are looking for information and educational content in short form. If you are able to provide concise and easy to understand instructions, you may be rewarded with increased watch time from viewers, which will help push your shorts out and appeal to the algorithm. To get started with how-to videos, ask ChatGPT or Notion AI for a step-by-step tutorial on any subject. For example, if we're making a baking recipe for chocolate chip cookies, I would ask the chatbot to give me an easy-to-follow recipe in a step-by-step format, which I can copy and paste into an AI platform called Pictory. The best part about Pictory is that it's highly functional while being customizable. There is an extensive template library, so you'll likely find one that fits the aesthetic of your niche. You can paste in the instructions and choose voiceover, visual elements, background photos, and text all within the same platform. All you have to do is reformat the video vertically for shorts, and it is all ready to go without having to use multiple platforms or tools. Lastly, one of the more engaging and interesting niches on this list is stories, which you can have written entirely by AI once you have the story written. You can use a voiceover AI software, such as Speakify, to put a voice behind the narration. You can also get images that go along with the story by inputting descriptions into Midjourney and uploading those images to vidIQ or Canva to edit accordingly. Stories are usually good at maintaining viewer retention, which may be useful for obtaining advertisers to your channel or extending watch time if your channel is not just for shorts, but also has longer form videos. Now that you've picked a niche, it's time to monetize the shorts. You could do so by the default method of ad revenue through the YouTube platform. However, if you're starting a brand new channel, this may not be the most profitable method since you don't have pre-established viewers. This is why you need to expand your monetization methods. One of the most popular and effective ways to do that is through affiliate marketing. YouTube Shorts channels have been doing this method since way before ad revenue was released for Shorts, and it is the main reason why so many of them have seen such high returns from their videos. Implementing affiliate marketing links in your description is a great way for you to monetize your videos. All you have to do is make money is get viewers to click on product URLs and purchase the item, and you make a commission off of every sale generated from your unique link. For the niches that we listed, it is also relatively easy to implement a call to action to these links for viewers. For example, if you are doing a how-to video on cleaning out a wine stain, you can reference a product in the video that you have an affiliate marketing link for and redirect viewers to visit the product page in your description. That way, you have provided value in more than one way. You have shown them how to solve their problem, as well as given them access to a tool that can make that process even easier. Like automators, most people want to use as little effort as possible, but still have the best results, which is why this would be a great way to engage viewers and get them to purchase products from your link. With all this in mind, how likely are you to try using AI for Shorts monetization? If you use any of the ideas we listed in the video, we'd love for you to share your channels with us and tell us all about your automation journey in the comments below. As usual, thanks for attending Automation School today, and until next time, see you later, Automators.